Hello friends, welcome to this podcast show. I'm Steve, the host of today's show. I will discuss today about the PTE Study Centre tutorial in Sydney. English Experts Adelaide is one of the premier PTE training and coaching centres in Adelaide. PTE's success has gone leaps and bounds in the last 2 years. They prepare students to achieve the highest possible scores in PTE in their first attempt by using state-of-the-art templates which change every month depending upon the latest upgrades in these exams process. They provide free tools like exam portal and score mock tests to assist students to prepare for their exams in their free time at home. Avail a flexible, easy and fully customized study plan and exam portal to achieve your target score in PTE. Visit https://englishexperts.com.au/ to learn more. That is all for today. I will be right back with another topic. Till then, stay tuned.